Hey guys, this is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2007 Pete 379 extended hood, factory day cab to show you. It's only got 183,000 original miles. Picked this one up out of California. They had to get rid of it, update for emission reasons. This comes with a factory 6 1/4 cat, 2050 torque, 18 speed, original miles, all new rubber, full lockers. Contractor out in California had it. We brought it out this way. Hope it can be yours. I've got it hot this afternoon. Going to show you blow by, oil pressure, everything that you want to see. Blow by looks really good. Frame rails underneath the cab, corrosion, all that is fantastic. You can easily see that it's spent its life in California. Air track suspension, long slide, does have a pintle hitch on the back as well. Interior is immaculate. Floor is really clean, dash is intact, exactly the way that you want to see it. So you can see the operating temp there. Good low side oil pressure. Jumps up to oil pressure in operation there really well. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else that we've got, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.